Hello, Rosant. Did you know that to be officially recognized as an old student, you need to register your database? Watch this video for a step-by-step guide on how to complete your registration. A link will be attached to this video. When you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. Scroll down and follow the prompt. If you didn't hold any post while in school or you do not hold any post in the association, impute none. Here, you input your suggestions on how we can bring in more old students to the association. When you're done filling the form, click on the next button and then the submit button. Make sure you click on the submit button to submit your database. Remember, only registered members are eligible to enjoy membership benefits.